Imagine an animal that can produce electricity strong enough to stun prey, defend itself, and even sense its surroundings. This isn't science fiction, it's the electric eel, one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. Today, we'll explore what an electric eel is, how it generates electricity, how it uses that power, and why this ability is so important for its survival. What is an electric eel? Despite its name, the electric eel is not actually an eel. It is a type of fish more closely related to catfish and carp. Electric eels live in the murky freshwater rivers and swamps of South America, especially the Amazon and Orinoco river basins. They can grow up to 8 feet long and weigh over 40 pounds. Because they live in dark, muddy water where vision is limited, electric eels rely heavily on their ability to generate electricity. The source of the electricity. So, how does an electric eel make electricity? About 80% of an electric eel's body is made up of special electric organs. These organs are packed with thousands of specialized cells called electrocytes, are modified muscle cells. Unlike normal muscle cells, they don't contract. Instead, they are designed to move charged particles, signs across their membranes. Each electrocyte produces only a tiny amount of electricity. But when thousands of them are stacked together like batteries lined up in a flashlight, their electrical charges add up. How the electric shock is produced. When an electric eel wants to produce electricity, its brain sends a signal to the electrocytes. This signal causes ion channels in the cells to open, allowing positively charged sodium ions to rush in on one side of the cell. This creates a difference in electrical charge, known as voltage. When all the electrocytes activate at the same time, their voltages combine, producing a powerful electric discharge. An adult electric eel can release shocks of up to 600 volts, strong enough to stun prey or deter predators. Different types of electric signals. Electric eels don't always use high-voltage shocks. They actually produce 3 types of electric signals. First, they emit low-voltage pulses to navigate their environment. These weak signals help them sense objects, similar to how bats use echolocation. Second, they use medium-voltage signals to locate prey by causing small muscle twitches in nearby animals. Third, they release high-voltage shocks to stun or immobilize prey, and for this flexibility makes the electric eel an incredibly efficient hunter. How electric eels use electricity to hunt. When hunting, an electric eel often curls its body around its prey, bringing both electric organs closer. This position increases the strength of the electric field, making the shock more effective. The electric shock causes the prey's muscles to contract uncontrollably, leaving it helpless. The eel then swallows the prey whole. Why electricity is essential for survival. Electricity allows electric eels to survive in environments where other predators struggle. In dark, muddy waters, vision is unreliable, but electricity works perfectly. This ability helps electric eels hunt, defend themselves, and communicate, giving them a huge evolutionary advantage. Conclusion. In conclusion, the electric eel produces electricity using thousands of specialized cells called electrocytes that work together like living batteries. By controlling when and how these cells fire, the electric eel can generate anything from gentle pulses to powerful shocks. The electric eel is a remarkable example of how nature can turn biology into electricity and use it to survive. Thank you.